Welcome. If you're managing a Telegram group and want to keep your invite links secure, it's essential to know how to view all revoked links, especially with the latest updates on the Telegram desktop app. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to find every revoked invite link in your group, so you always stay in control. First, make sure you're using the Telegram app on your PC and that you're an admin of the group you want to manage. Only admins have access to group management features, including invite links. Start by opening the Telegram app on your computer. Once you're in, look through your chat list and select the group where you're an admin. If you have many groups, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the right one. Now that you're inside the group chat, look toward the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your gateway to more options. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's management settings, where you can adjust everything from permissions to group info. Inside the management menu, look for the section labeled Invite Links. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the invite links that have ever been created for your group. Here, Telegram separates active links from those that have already been revoked. Scroll down to find the Revoked Links section. Every invite link you or another admin has revoked will appear here. This is useful for keeping track of old links that are no longer valid, ensuring that only the right people can join your group. If you want to clean up, you may also have the option to delete all revoked links from this section, depending on the latest Telegram update. This helps keep your group's invite history tidy and secure. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily view all revoked links on your Telegram group using the desktop app, giving you full oversight and better security for your community.